Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. I am Amira Syamimi Binti Suhaili from class 4. So for today, I will be presenting my activity from task 3 of TSLB 3563, which is creative writing in the primary ESL classroom. So this task asked me to select one creative writing activity in task 2 and present the creative writing using YouTube. So the topic that I've chosen for this activity is year 4, which is celebration. For today's agenda, I will be I will be talking about learning objective, the activity that I've chosen, explanation, example, and justification. Okay, so the learning objective is at the end of this lesson, students will be able to differentiate various types of celebration in a poem with guided writing. So the activity is Diamond Days Poetry. So the first one is teacher will show a few pictures of celebration in Malaysia. For the first picture is Father's Day, Independence Day, Teachers Day, Chinese New Year, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, and Deepavali. So when the teacher show the picture of the celebration, they will ask like, what is this celebration? And if they know the celebration, teacher will ask this question: when does this celebration happen in Malaysia? Who celebrates this celebration? Have you ever experienced this celebration? But if they do not know this celebration, teacher will explain it to them like, what is this celebration called? When does this happen? Who usually celebrate the celebration? And then teacher will show a video of Diamante poem. So let's watch this.
So today we're doing a Diamante poem. It's kind of like your Sing King poem from yesterday, but it's almost like you're writing two of them and sticking them together. So we're going to walk through how to write one. So first you're going to brainstorm two nouns that are opposite. So I've given you guys two examples. One poem is about a superhero versus a villain, and the other one is about winter and summer. So just think of two nouns, person, place, or thing, that are opposite. So cat and dog. What else? You could do fall and spring. You could do vegetables versus dessert. So just think of all the nouns you can come up with and think of their opposite. The next thing you're going to do after you've chosen your nouns is you need to describe your nouns using adjectives. So the superhero was described as brave and bold. The villain was described as mean, hurtful. The winter was described as frosty and bright. And the summer was described as hot and sunny. The next thing you need to do is describe your nouns using ing verbs, or they're also called participles. So you need three of them. So for the superhero, we've got flying, saving, fighting. The villain, we have stealing, hurting, robbing. In the winter, we have skiing, snowball fighting, sledding. And then summer, we've got swimming, sun tanning, and sweltering. Now, this last part is your very middle line, and you need two nouns to describe your top noun and two nouns to describe your bottom noun. So, what I mean is, so for superhero, the first two nouns are superhero versus. So, this one's kind of all together, but the two first nouns go with superhero, and then the last two go with the bottom noun you chose. So with villain, it says evil villain. So your line ends up being superhero versus evil villain. And then on the next one for winter, we put two nouns, icicles and snowflakes, that go with winter. And then for summer, we put vacation and family. But that whole line is icicles, snowflakes, vacation, family. And your poem should make a diamond shape out of those two nouns. So best of luck.
Okay, so After they watch the video, um, students will be divided into pairs, and each pair need to choose one of the celebration from A and one of the celebration from B. So in A we have Chinese New Year, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, and Deepavali. In B we have Independence Day, Teachers' Day, and also Father's Day. After they have chosen the celebration from A and B, each pair will be given a worksheet of Diamante poem template, like in the photo. And then students will brainstorm with their partner about the adjective, ing word, and nouns related to the celebration they have chosen. After they finish the worksheet, each pair need to present it to the class. And then teacher will provide feedback on the students' hard work. So this is the example of Diamante poem. So the instructions said that write a Diamante poem following the diagram below. Fill in the blank with correct answer. So I choose celebration A, Chinese New Year, Father's Day for celebration B. Okay, let me read the example. Chinese New Year, fun, merry, eating, dancing, gathering, cake, lion, family, presents, hugging, smiling, crying, happy, excited, Father's Day. So, this is the justification of why I choose this activity. A diamante poem, also known as a diamond poem, is a specific form of poetry that takes the shape of a diamond when written out. It is characterized by a set structure and a focus on opposites, like celebration A versus celebration B. The poem typically follows a pattern of words or phrases, moving from a central concept to its opposite. The Damayanti poem helps with the exploration of opposite as it is often on opposites, encouraging writers to explore and articulate the differences between two concepts. This exploration can deepen understanding and insight. Writing a Diamante poem introduces individuals to the world of poetry, fostering an appreciation for the art form. It also allows for hands-on experience in crafting a poem. It also helps with language skills because Diamante poems help enhance language skill by requiring the selection of precise and descriptive words. This can contribute to vocabulary expansion and improve word choice. Poems need language learners to integrate their skills in order to understand the content. It forces children to modify their reading techniques and put them into practice in order to handle the unique qualities of poetry, expanding their horizons and cultivating an appreciation for language other than their native one. Said Khan, 2020. So that's all from me. Thank you.